Ramadan is a blessed period in which servitude to Allah becomes more beautiful and sharing turns into an act of worship. As the Ecir Kapısı Association, with the arrival of Ramadan and a strong sense of responsibility, we set up iftar and suhoor tables in regions where needs become more acute. We strive to share the same table with thousands of families by delivering our uninterrupted aid, primarily to Gaza, and also to those in need in Syria, Africa, Afghanistan, and Turkey. Throughout Ramadan, we deliver zakat, fitra, and fidya to their rightful recipients with great care. In particular, through cash assistance for the people of Gaza and by distributing holiday allowances and festive clothing to orphaned children before Eid, we ensure that your entrusted donations reach those in need and have a real impact on the ground. Throughout the month of Ramadan, we deliver the food parcels we prepare to the homes of families in need, both domestically and abroad. Through these efforts, we go beyond merely meeting basic food needs. We carry the blessings of Ramadan, the spirit of sharing, and a sense of brotherhood into people's homes. Acting with the awareness that our orphaned children are among the most vulnerable during this period, we make a special effort, particularly in Turkey, Gaza, Syria, Afghanistan, and Africa, to ensure that our orphans living under difficult conditions can welcome Eid with joy. Through the activities organized for children during the days of Eid, we share in their joy. As hearts come together through Eid greetings in oppressed regions, we, as the Ecir Kapısı Association, experience the happiness of being part of these meaningful gatherings. We do not see Ramadan as merely a page on the calendar, but as a trust, a test, and a consciousness of servitude. And we continue to carry this trust with sincerity and steadfastness.